What is up, my people? Haven't made a video in a while. Glenn Tupper here, aka Paratupper on YouTube. I've been making videos for a long time, actually. My first YouTube video, probably 2008. Started flying in 2009, paramotors. Been flying before that. Started flying Army helicopters in 2006. Transitioned to fixed wing. Did that for about 7 years. And now coming at you from sunny Charlotte, North Carolina. From my balcony on the 18th floor. Just moved here. Pretty excited. But I'm here with this box that I got from Chris Santa Croce, aka Superfly Paragliding, and I'm about to open this up, show you what's inside, and then hopefully we go fly. But before we get to that, if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and if you really like the video, go ahead and share it with all your friends. I'm going to start coming out with a lot more content, paragliding, lifestyle. Been getting into weightlifting, CrossFit, so hopefully I want to get into some tutorials about that. This channel is going to be all about your life and my life and how we make it better. Hopefully I inspire you to get out there, explore. If you haven't seen, by the way, talking about exploring, I'm really big into adventure paramotor. So last year, one of my good friends, Matt Minyard, and I, we went all the way to Australia. And I made a 7-episode series, and that's on YouTube. I'll drop the link in the description, so if you want to check that out, go ahead, like those, and subscribe. But here we go. The main point of this video, got this box here from Chris Santa Croce. We're going to open it up. Got to be careful with this knife, because there's something really, really important inside. We don't want to cut it. It's been a pretty bad winter here in Charlotte. It's been windy, cold, and just now, this is actually like the second or third day that it's been nice outside. So hopefully we get to pull this out, take it for a flight. See what this thing's all about. Oh! Dang, got some gear already. Superfly paragliding. Oh no! Woo! Man, shout out to Chris. Here we go. Oh no! Man, I have to sport these shirts. All right. Oh, this is nice and crispy. You know this symbol right here. Made in Korea, Jin. Oh, let's see the tag here. This is a Jin Falcon 20 meter. Color Patriarch. All right. Got that wing strap. Oh, this is the same color wing that Matt had in Australia. I didn't actually get to check it out. I didn't try it out yet, so I'm pretty excited about this. All right, here's the wing, nice and crispy. 20 meter Jin Falcon. I'm gonna put this thing up, back in the bag, and we're gonna take it out and do some ground handling and then take it for a flight. Here we go. wing out and kite it around for a bit and then go for a flight. Here we go. Alright, well, she definitely flies, but as you can see, the wind is a little bad. We're surrounded by high-rise buildings, so I also forgot my motor, so I don't think this is a great spot to fly it. So I'm going to pack this thing up and I'm going to take it somewhere else. Where, though, is going to be a big surprise. So buckle your seatbelts, fasten in, get comfortable. Let's take a ride. What's up, everybody? I am all packed and ready to go. I got my bag here, full of clothes, bag full of electronics, computer. Most importantly though, I've got the gin, Falcon, packed up, ready to go. I've got my passport. I've got my AA ID, pretty much gets me anywhere I want in the world, so thank you for that. Yeah, I'm about to hit the road, and you will see where I'm going in a bit, so stay tuned.
Stay alert, baby, it's a crime. Lesson learned when you're on my mind. It's a curse not having you around. I wasn't ready to say goodbye. Fading lights, I don't know how I feel. And in my sight, nothing is for real. It's a fact, without you I'm half empty. Get over you, how I tried. So the moment I saw you, I lost some control. One look into those eyes could keep my soul. I got closer, but then suddenly you were gone. I wanna wake now, and this time is on. Stop daydreaming, feel what I need. Someone say Paramotor. I don't know what else to hold. Talk about jealousy. On and on, trying to be alone. Hold me on. Someone say Paramotor. Get back here, that's unsuitable. But I find you desperately beautiful.
Alright, been on the plane for
What happened?
almost 12 hours. We're almost to our destination. I'm not going to tell you where it is though yet, so it's going to be a surprise. But you do know that it's been 12 hours on a plane from Dulles International. So we're almost there. You'll see in just a few moments where I've gone. Alright, finally made it out of customs and immigration, and I'm waiting outside exit 1 here for my friend, my good friend I haven't seen in a long time. None other, you'll see in a second.
That's a live pilot.
Abu Dhabi! We're gonna have to do something. Hey! What is up, everybody? It is day 1 here in Dubai. I have a little jet lag. I'm not gonna lie, I've been up since like 5 a.m. But it's been cool. I'm out here, I'm at Ali's place, chilling outside, beautiful weather. I've been watching A380s pass over and land. We're not too far from the Dubai airport, but it is a beautiful morning here in Dubai. Day 1, getting all kinds of notifications. But so the plan is today we're gonna go to the drop zone and check out Skydive Dubai, check out some of the Twin Otters, and then just have a relaxing Sunday. The thing is, the weird thing about, well, it's not weird, but in Dubai, apparently, maybe all of the Middle East probably, they start, their Monday is Sunday. So yesterday was Saturday, that's basically their Sunday. So today is the first day of work here in Dubai. So we are gonna go over to the drop zone, check out some of the Twin Otters, check out that operation that's going on over there. I'm pretty excited. I used to fly Twin Otters over the Grand Canyon, and Ali told me that he's gonna put me in the right seat of one and take some skydivers up with the pilot in command and check that out. So I'm pretty excited. It's day 1 here in Dubai. It is a beautiful day. The sun just came up right over here, and yes, so it's really good. It's been really good to see my friend Ali. I haven't seen him for a few years. I saw him in England a couple years ago, but I haven't been to Dubai since 2010. So it's been 8 years, and I'm excited to see all the changes. Ali tells me that I'm not even gonna recognize the place. Coming in last night from Abu Dhabi, I could see the Burj Khalifa all lit up. That's just like, to me, it's pretty exciting. So to see all these huge buildings everywhere, this place is just wild. If you've never been to Dubai, you definitely need to come. If you're a paramotor pilot, you have to come to Skyhub Dubai. You're gonna see that here coming tomorrow. I'm gonna head out there with Ali. We're gonna strap on some paramotors, take flight out in the desert. I'm pretty excited. The last time I was here, there was no such thing as Skyhub Dubai. There was no such thing as Skydive Dubai. So, well, I think there was Skydive Dubai, but it was just getting started. So, Ali actually wrote the guy who owns or runs Skydive Dubai and said, hey, listen, I think back in 2008, he was telling me the story. Hey, listen, I want to get this paramotor thing started. And he had to wait 4 years. So he didn't start Skyhub Dubai until 2013, actually. And the guy just wrote him and was like, hey, yeah, let's see what we can do. And then it just took off from there. It is a huge operation. They're training people every day, taking people for tandem flights. And you're gonna get to see all that here in the coming days. So stay tuned. There's a lot of action coming your way. It's gonna be a great week here in Dubai. And I can't wait to show you what's gonna happen next. So here we go.